The murder of an Ohio State student. In less than a month, Brian Golsby will stand trial for killing Reagan Tokes while he was on parole for attempted rape and robbery. It's a story we've been following for nearly a year. NBC4's Dan Perlman was in court today as the judge allowed a key piece of testimony to be used during the upcoming trial.
Well, Brian Golsby sat right over here quiet, listening to what you are about to hear. Testimony from the man whose company made the GPS monitor the accused killer wore last year.
I've personally worn every unit or every type of device that we've ever built. I test the device in all kinds of ways. I'm very confident that when I say that someone is within a certain circle of accuracy through testing myself, that person or myself is actually within that circle.
And with that testimony, Judge Mark Surratt said yes, the data collected from Brian Golsby's ankle monitor can be heard by a jury. Golsby, the man accused of raping and killing OSU student Reagan Tokes last year. This case, high profile, OSU law professor Rick Simmons watching closely.
This is just the first stage. Can the jury hear it?
Not surprised, Surratt sided with prosecutors.
The defense attorney has to make these kinds of motions, but the prosecution would almost certainly going to win this, and they did win it. I would say they win it over 99% of the time.
So now, we still have questions about Golsby and that data. Will this specifically show that he was in that park where her body was found as we wait for trial?
Well, I can't say what it will show other than we expect to use the ankle monitor that, as you all know, was on him when he was arrested.
So the trial scheduled to begin on February 23rd. The prosecution not expecting any more hearings before then. Local for you in Columbus, Dan Perlman, NBC4.
And the parents of Reagan Tokes are working with state lawmakers right now to reform Ohio's criminal justice system. The proposed legislation would make some key changes to how violent offenders are sentenced and monitored. Among those changes, the bill would create indefinite prison terms for violent offenders, rewarding good behavior with shorter prison sentences and punishing bad behavior with longer sentences. It would also require Ohio to have a database of offenders who are under GPS monitoring.